Words are so powerful. Like say the word can't as opposed to the word choose, and how that can really empower us just changing our words. Welcome back for another video to Recalibrate with Raw Natty Nate, and in this video I wanted to go over with you just this concept that has really helped me on my journey being a raw foodie. The words can't. I can't have that. I can't have that. You know, hey Nate, do you want some of this? No, I can't have that. Oh, what about some of this? We're going out for over here. No, I can't have that. As opposed to understanding that I can have whatever I want. I would just choose to not have it, because maybe it's not in alignment with what I'm really going for. I'm geeking out on raw foods, man. It's been about 6 years eating raw foods, digging into nutrition, trying to really embody and study what nutrition is all about and what we really need to operate this vessel in the most optimum way. So these words really can, I feel, not really, derail us, but work against us in a lot of ways. If you're like, I can't have that anymore, and I can never have French fries, and I can't have a burger, and I can't have some ice cream, and I can't ever have a beer, man, you could have whatever you want. Changing it from like, I could have whatever I want, but just choosing to eat what is going to be the most optimum for you, right? Like, I can have that. I can have a beer. I can have some pizza. I can have some ice cream. I could have some fast food, but do I really want that? No, I'm going to choose. I'm going to choose wisely. I'm going to choose what's going to be the best for myself. These are powerful ways to shift the way that we're thinking about what we can and actually, can and can't have. We can have whatever we want, obviously, right? I mean, of course, everything that's, around every corner is available for really cheap and maybe not the best for us, but changing that concept of knowing that you can have whatever you want, but you're choosing what's going to be the best for you. You're going to love yourself, every single part of yourself, right? All the cells. You're understanding what you're really wanting, which is obviously, I mean, if you're watching this channel, maybe you just popped on real quick, maybe you follow me, but I love geeking out on raw foods. Raw foods have changed my life in so many ways. And understanding that I could have whatever I want, I'm just going to choose what's going to be the best for myself. Now, right there really helped me, because I didn't feel like I was lacking anything. I didn't feel that I was missing out on anything. I know that I could have whatever I want, but I'm going to choose what's going to be the best for me, what's going to be in alignment with what I'm actually striving to do, which is be the healthiest I can be and live the longest I can live. Man, I'm going to be 46 pretty soon. I would love to live and be active, not, in a bed, not being able to move into my late 90s, maybe even like make it to 100 and something. So in order to do that, I really have to switch the gears and choose wisely. I could have whatever I want. So can you. But changing that vocabulary, those two words have really helped me. I choose to do the best by myself. Is that beer going to be I don't really like drinking anyways. I never really did like drinking. But is that going to, push me to where I want to go, in the direction that I want to go? Or is it going to kind of, maybe, I don't know, not like it's going to derail me, but is it going to be the best? So that right there has helped me so much. Just not ever saying that I can't have something. Or somebody say, oh no, he can't have that, he's a raw foodie. I'd be like, yo, man, I could have whatever I want, but I'm choosing not to have it. Because then it's putting the power back into my own state, my own self. I have the power to choose whatever I would like, just like you do. You have the power to choose whatever you want. Changing those words to just get rid of the word can't. Can't is almost like, we almost should never even use the word can't. You can. you can do whatever you want. You can choose. So that has really helped me along my journey, staying raw, just choosing raw foods, never eliminating foods. I think when individuals come into this way of life and want to incorporate more healthy foods into their day-to-day life, maybe they're trying to get rid of all the foods that aren't necessarily serving them. And I'm a proponent for that. I think that's great. You know, like I've said in previous videos, and I say to people, if you're eating 70 to 80% of your calories from raw foods, you're technically a raw foodie, right? That leaves you 20 to 30% that you could do what you'd like. Whole food, plant-based would be best, low to no oil, but still, say if you're doing 70%, you got 30% left, 70% raw, 30% left. Maybe you eat 25% whole food, plant-based, cooked. That leaves you 5% to maybe have a little fun, have a French fry, have a beer, you know, have some whatever, like whatever you want, a donut or something. But of course, that 5% sometimes can grow into 10%, 15%, and pretty soon you might be back to where you were, where you're not really eating as much raw food as you would like to if you're wanting to eat high raw. High raw, I think, is attainable for everybody on the planet. I don't necessarily feel that being fully raw is, I don't even think that anybody can be fully raw, honestly. I mean, it would be really, really hard to be fully raw 100%. I don't think that that's even a real thing, in my personal opinion. But changing those words really helped me. Just choose. You've got the choice. You can do whatever you want. I could do whatever I want. I could eat whatever I want. I could have whatever I want. I could go get two Little Caesars pizzas for $5 and they'll give me a 2-liter thing of soda for free. I could do that, but I'm choosing not to do that. That's not like what I want. What do I want? I want to live a long, healthy life. I started eating raw foods when I was 40. I wish I would have got into this, you know, being like a health nut and digging into nutrition when I was younger. I didn't. I was 40. But of course, it's never too late. It's never too late. So if that is definitely something that you're wanting to get yourself into, then that's something to look into. But changing that term is so huge. You can have whatever you want, but just making the choice is definitely going to put the power back into your own hands. And that has really helped me in so many ways. You can choose. You can choose. You have the choice. Hopefully this makes sense to you. And if you're looking for inspiration into knowing what to have in the raw, field of things, we've got recipe books, we've got meal plans, we've got a meal planner app, we've got courses. Our whole mission, my wife and I, our whole mission is to help you eat healthier and to incorporate more of these delicious high fiber foods into your day-to-day life. Choosing to do it because you want to do it, because you want to be healthier. You love yourself. This is the temple, right? We have to take care of this temple. We're not going to treat this like an old tool shed, right? This is a temple. This is what our soul has to experience this life. This is the vehicle our soul has to experience this life right now. And choosing to do the best by yourself is definitely, you can't go wrong there. You can't go wrong. So, but if you're looking into some of these things and you need some inspiration, make sure you check out click the link down below, check out the different things that we are offering. The Raw Food 40, if you use that for the code, you can get 40% off of everything that we have right now. And for me personally, that really helped because it took all the thinking out of it. I opened up a book. That's what I did when I first started on this journey. I opened up a book and I just followed the book, right? So simple. Anyways, I hope you get something from this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you on the next one. Love ya.